A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to English Grammar online class. Students, this is the video for class 4th, English Grammar lesson number 14, the adjective. In this video, we will discuss the meaning of adjective and its kinds, and then you will get home assignment. So let us start today's class. Open page number 62, lesson number 14. Firstly, let us discuss the meaning of the adjective. Students, you have already studied about noun. You are well aware by noun. What is a noun? A noun is a name of a place, person, animal, or a thing. Now, what is an adjective? See, an adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. That means adjectives are related to noun. How they are related to noun? Because adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. They are the modifier of noun. They tell us something more about noun. In short, we can say adjectives are describing words of noun. Adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, red, quick, happy. They are adjectives because they can describe things like red flower, red ball, red frog, quick answer, happy face. So here you can see face is noun, answer is noun, frog is noun. But to describe them, we have used red, quick, happy. They tell us something more about noun. So adjectives are words that tell us something more about noun. They are the words that add something to the meaning of a noun. Let us see some examples. As just now I have told, an adjective describes a noun. Here you can see some examples. Cake. How is the cake? Sweet. So sweet is adjective. Ball. Round ball. Elephant. Big elephant. Frog. Green frog. Fire. Hot. Child, sad. So you have seen that we have some noun words and we have used some words to describe them more. And these words are adjectives. Like, I can see it's a very sunny day. So day is noun. But what kind of day it is? Sunny. So sunny is adjective. We have 6 kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, interrogative adjectives. Let us discuss about all the kinds one by one. Let us start with adjectives of quality. Students, adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind noun is. Adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjectives of quality. Like Mumbai is a large city. So what kind of city it is? Large. So large is adjective of quality. A rich man helped the needy people. They are educated people. He is a handsome boy. Mary is a charming girl. In these sentences, you can see large, rich, needy, educated, handsome, and charming. They are adjectives of quality because they describe qualities of persons or things. They tell us what kind of city it is, what kind of people they are. Next, we have adjectives of quantity. Quantity, that is how much. Adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is meant are called adjectives of quantity. They are used with uncountable things like there was sufficient food for the guest. Food we cannot count. Sufficient. How much food? Sufficient. So sufficient is adjectives of quantity. She has lost all her wealth. How much she has lost? All. There's a little tea in the kettle. How much tea is there in the kettle? Little. So you can see sufficient, all, little. They are adjectives of quantity because they tell us how much of a thing is meant. Then we have adjectives of number. Adjectives of number, that is how many, countable, the things, the people which you count. Like there are few photographs in this album. So photographs, you can count them. So few is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number tell us how many people or things are means how many when you count. They are always used with countable nouns. Adjectives which tell us how many of things or persons are meant are called adjectives of number. How many students are there in your class? 54, 55. So they are adjectives of number. Then we have demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives, see, to demonstrate the things we have already studied about the 4 words, this, that, these and those. This and that we use with singular nouns and these and those we use with plural nouns. This and these with the things which are near, that and those with the things which are far away. So, demonstrative adjective, this, that, these and those, they are demonstrative adjectives because they point out which person or thing is meant and they are always used before the nouns, with the nouns they refer to. Like this book is mine. Here book is noun. With this noun you can see this is given and here you can see that this is demonstrative adjective. These shirts are his shirts, noun. These is used with shirts. So here you can see this is demonstrative adjective. Next we have possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show that someone owns or possesses a thing. They also always used with nouns, before nouns. Like this is my mobile. So mobile is noun here. And with mobile I have used possessive word my. So my is possessive adjective. These are our photographs. Photographs, noun. And with the noun I have used possessive word are. So this is possessive adjective. So students, an adjective which tells us about a thing owned by someone is called possessive adjective. Then at the end we have interrogative adjectives. You know about the interrogative words, which, what, whose, they are interrogative words. But when these interrogative question words, when they are used to ask questions, when they are used before nouns, they are called interrogative adjectives. Like here you can say, which pen do you like? So here pen is noun and with noun it is used which, question word which. So which is interrogative adjective. So interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. So students, we have studied in this chapter about adjective and the kinds of adjectives. I hope you have understood the chapter, you have understood the topic. Adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. That means they are related to noun. And we have studied about the 6 kinds of adjective. Now, in homework, what you will do? You will read the chapter, read the topic once again so that it should be clear to you. And tomorrow, we will solve the exercises. So, in homework, you can try to solve the exercises. Tomorrow, we will discuss and solve the exercises. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.